Hey, it's Sarah Helps You Move. We're here at Neal Communities in Grand Park. They have some lovely single-family homes. They've got 5 models for us today. This home is the Honor, part of the Cruise series by Neal Communities. This is a 2-story home. Let's go check it out. You have this adorable room where they made some built-in bookshelves. You can use this for homeschooling, for an office, playroom, movie room. And then over here, you've got this generous-sized kitchen island with dark quartz countertops. They're lovely. Undermount farmhouse sink. They made a very nice patio space here, perfect for entertaining, lush landscaping, and a beautiful water view. Going upstairs, you have all the bedrooms. Look at this cute loft up here. This again is a great space for movie rooms, schooling, office space, whatever you'd like to do with it. Onto the primary suite. Plenty of room here with one closet. Then you go into the bathroom portion, walk-in shower, the water closet, the walk-in closet. They did put some built-in shelves. And here is a double vanity. Nice tray ceilings at the top as well. To the left here is your laundry room. And in there, your AC closet. To the right here, we have matching quartz countertops again. Beautiful lavender wallpaper, very trendy, purple, gray, and yellow. Now this one decorated as a nursery. And then your last bedroom. If you're loving these home tours, make sure you follow along for more. And remember, never go visit a community without proper representation to make sure you get the best deal. This is Sarah Helps You Move.